Imagine a world where robots are smarter than us. They don't just play chess, they think, feel, and create like humans. Sound like science fiction? Well, Professor Geoffrey Hinton, the Godfather of AI, recently explored that very idea at Oxford's annual Romanes lecture at the Sheldonian Theatre. And his insights might surprise you. Let's dive in! Before we explore the future, let's talk about the brilliant mind behind the lecture, Professor Geoffrey Hinton. He's not just a pioneer in the field, he's an OG of artificial intelligence with decades of cutting-edge research under his belt. Hinton's work on neural networks back in the 80s revolutionized AI. Think of neural networks like a digital brain, getting better at tasks through learning. This dude basically laid the foundation for the incredible AI we see today. Even with his impressive track record, Hinton wasn't afraid to question established approaches, a trait that would lead to breakthroughs in neural networks. This shows you that sometimes you need to think differently to unlock true progress. Professor Hinton isn't some ivory tower academic. He's been at the forefront of AI's rise in major tech companies like Google. This gives him real-world insight into both the potential and the challenges of AI. The Google years. Professor Hinton's influence on AI took a huge leap when he joined Google in 2013. This brought together the academic pioneer and one of the world's biggest tech companies with near unlimited resources. It was like a superhero team-up for artificial intelligence. At Google, Hinton's work focused on things like natural language processing and image recognition. These are crucial areas for making AI systems that can understand and interact with the world around them. Under Hinton's guidance, Google made massive strides in AI, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Think of all those times Google Photos has magically recognized your friends in old pictures. That's Hinton's influence at work. His time at Google not only accelerated the pace of AI development within the company, but had ripple effects across the entire industry. It proved that AI wasn't just for labs, but was ready for prime time. So, what did Professor Hinton say about machines taking over? Buckle up, because his answer isn't what you might expect. He believes true artificial consciousness, machines that think exactly like humans, is still a long way off. Phew. Maybe we can hold off on building those Skynet robots for now. But here's the twist. Professor Hinton argues that even without sentience, AI could still surpass human intelligence in specific areas. Think of Deep Blue beating Garry Kasparov at chess. The machine wasn't conscious, just better at playing chess. He sees a near future where AI algorithms achieve superhuman levels of ability in focused domains. Imagine AI systems that can diagnose diseases more accurately than doctors, design better materials than scientists, or even write code flawlessly. His point is that we shouldn't worry about robots becoming our overlords, but rather how we manage and adapt to AI systems that are simply better at certain things than we are. Hinton's stance sparks a lot of debate. Are we underestimating AI's potential to become truly intelligent? Even if machines don't become conscious, could they still pose a threat if we're not careful? Let's see. Okay, so AI might not be taking over our minds anytime soon. But that doesn't mean it won't change the world. Professor Hinton sees AI as a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize how we live. Imagine AI-powered doctors diagnosing diseases earlier, saving countless lives. Scientists using AI to design new materials for cleaner energy, helping combat climate change. Or even AI that unlocks creativity, helping artists, musicians, and writers to explore new frontiers. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Cue Spider-Man quote. Professor Hinton emphasizes the need for ethical guidelines and careful development to ensure AI serves humanity, not the other way around. This rapid progress, in part fueled by the competition between companies like Google, has sparked an urgent conversation about the ethics of AI systems. We need to think about how we control and regulate AI systems, preventing them from being used for harm and ensuring they benefit society as a whole. Here's the most important takeaway from Professor Hinton's lecture. AI won't replace us, it will work alongside us. Think of it as a superpowered assistant, helping us solve problems and push the boundaries of human potential. As AI becomes better at specific tasks, it'll free up our time for the things we humans excel at: creativity, empathy, and building meaningful connections. The future of AI isn't about machines taking over. It's about humans and machines working together to make a better world. AI can amplify our skills and help us tackle the big challenges we face. This exciting prospect comes with a catch. We need to prepare for this change. Our education systems need to equip people with the skills they'll need in an AI-driven world. fostering adaptable thinkers and creative problem solvers. As Hinton emphasizes, it's not just about creating brilliant AI, but ensuring it serves humanity and contributes to a better future. Thanks for joining us. Do you think AI is the future or a potential threat? Share your thoughts below, and let's keep this conversation going. For more mind-blowing AI content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell.